Welcome guys, today I will show you how to use and enable Quick Ball feature on POCO F8 Pro. Open the Settings app and move down to the Additional Settings chapter. Here in the Accessibility section, choose Quick Ball part. Then use this toggle to switch on the Quick Ball feature. Alright, now you have able to change settings of the feature here. You can select shortcuts in this Quick Ball, like a home button, or you can choose some of these settings. You can select the app, the specific app, which you will able to open using this Quick Ball, or you can choose some quick settings like torch, clear cache, one-handed mode, etc. And also system settings like Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth, silent mode, lock orientation. So let's leave it default. Like here, we will get access to home screen, to background running apps menu. We can log our device by using this Quick Ball, make screenshot, or just close it. So also you can choose preferred gesture to manage the Quick Ball, to operate it. I recommend you to use tap method, and I will show you a quick difference between them. So if you will choose swipe, it will work like here. So you should to open the Quick Ball. Oh, it may be hard with gesture navigation mode, but let's try from the home screen. So yeah, we got it. And now you should tap on it, and you can, by swipe, choose what you want from the menu. Also, you can just select tap method, yeah? So now, as you can see, it's better because you should just tap here and menu appears. When we use swipe method, it may be harder to activate the Quick Ball. So also you can choose in which apps Quick Ball will be hidden. You can manage other settings like move aside when full screen, stick to the edge after 3 seconds of inactivity, and wake up areas. And also you can restore default settings of the Quick Ball by using this button. Now you know how to enable and use Quick Ball tool on POCO F8 Pro. If this video was helpful, like it, leave some comment below and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.